Welcome, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth connections on this tablet. So the first and the fastest thing that you can do is slide down the control center and then try toggling either your Bluetooth by tapping this icon twice or toggling your airplane mode by tapping this icon. Then go to settings. If it didn't help, then go to settings, go to Bluetooth settings, find the device that you are connected to, but maybe you cannot use it, maybe you cannot hear it. Generally speaking, you have to reconnect to it. Just tap on it to disconnect from it directly, and then tap on it again, and then check if this time everything works well. And in case the problem isn't solved, tap the gear icon next to your device and then select Unpair and then refresh the page. Select this device from the list, click pair and see if the problem is resolved. And in case it's not, the next thing that you can do is restart both your Bluetooth device and your tablet. In order to restart your tablet, hold down the power button for a while until you see this screen, then select restart, confirm, wait until your tablet is restarted. Okay, now check if it helped you. So check if your device is now connected properly and you can use it normally, but in case this didn't help, then the last thing that you can do, go to System and Updates, then select Reset option, Reset Network Settings, confirm once again. Network settings have been reset. After that, go back to Bluetooth devices, enable your Bluetooth once again, put your device into pairing mode and try reconnecting to it. Click pair. And at this point everything should be fixed, but in case it's not, then that probably means that your device needs to update its software. So go to System and Updates, go to Software Update. Of course, use the Wi-Fi in order to install the latest update. I'm pretty sure I don't have any updates right now, but generally connect to the Wi-Fi, then select check for updates and see if there are any updates, and if there are any, then take your time and download and install all the required updates, and then try to reconnect to your Bluetooth device, and I hope that your problem will be solved after that. And that will be all for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.